Welcome to our new how-to video. We've developed a new firewall service in our VDC. You can now easily set up your firewall in our VDC and do not need a separate service anymore. And I will show you now how this exactly works. First, you have to create a server. If you want to know how to do that, I will link the last video on the top right. Now I want to access this server from remote desktop. To set it up, you have to click on Networking and on Firewalls. Now you can see here two links. The first one will lead you to a page where you can find all the general information about firewalls in the Xelon HQ. The second one will lead you to a written guidance on how to create a firewall service. And there will be another link that leads you to this video tutorial. Now you can click on Create New Firewall. Now you can name your firewall and select a tenant. If you already have a dedicated network, you can select this one. Otherwise, you will be assigned a public external IP from a shared pool. Afterwards, you can select the external network and the external IP. And then you only have to select the internal network and the internal IP of the firewall. And then we're going to choose the source, that means from where you can access the server, and the destination, the server you want to access. For the service, we're going to choose custom, and then for the protocol, TCP. The default port range for TCP is 3389. For the outbound, we're going to leave the default configuration. And now you can click on Save Firewall. After about 1 minute, the firewall is provisioned. To access the server now, you first of all have to copy your IP. Now you press Windows key and R and enter MSTSC. Now you can paste your IP and write down the password that you've set for your server. Then remote desktop should start automatically, and as you can see, everything worked out perfectly fine. Thanks for watching. If there are any questions regarding VDC, just write an email to contact@xelon.ch and we're gonna respond as soon as possible. See you next time.